Hello everyone, today I'm making a Neapolitan Nesquik cheesecake. For this you will need 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 60 grams of unsalted butter which is melted, 3 teaspoons of powdered gelatin, then you'll need 50 grams of each chocolate Nesquik powder, banana Nesquik powder and strawberry Nesquik powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml of double cream and 3 lots of 170 grams of full fat cream cheese. The first step is to make the biscuit base. So you need to blitz the digestive biscuits in a food processor until they're fine crumbs, then place it into a bowl and add your melted butter, mix it well, and then you just want to put it in your springform tin, pat it down so it's nice and packed in there. You can use your hand if you want, as you see here. I use my hands afterwards just to push it down further, just to make sure it's down as much as it can be. And you want to place that in the fridge whilst you go on to the next step. So you'll need 3 small bowls or ramekins. You need gelatin, and you need about a teaspoon in each bowl, which is about a third of a normal packet of gelatin. Then you add the 20 ml of water and just gently stir them, just so the water and the gelatin is mixed together, and put them to the side for now. So the next step is to start to make your first layer, which is the chocolate layer. So in a small saucepan you'll need your 50 grams of chocolate Nesquik powder, your tablespoon of sugar and 40 ml of double cream. You just want to mix it till it's all combined over a low heat, and then sort of leave it and it'll start to bubble at the sides. Then you need to take it off the heat, add in your gelatin and stir it. When you've stirred it, you can just leave it to the side to cool down whilst we make the next bit. So you want to get your 170 grams of full fat cream cheese and another 40 ml of double cream, and just whisk that together until it's thick and creamy. I normally use it on a medium. Then mix in your cooled gelatin mix. Again, use it on about a medium speed, and just do it until it's well combined. So you want to pop that in the fridge for it to set. It says on the recipe about an hour, but I think I only left mine in 30 minutes for each layer for it to set. Just touch it to see whether it's set. Then you do the same steps to make the banana layer and then the strawberry layer. Each time putting it in the fridge to set. And when you're putting on the strawberry layer, which is the final layer, which will be at the top, you want to try and smooth it out as much as possible on the top, just so it gives a nice finish. Now this step is kind of optional, On the original recipe I got it from, they didn't add any sprinkles, but I thought it'd be a nice touch, so I'm just using chocolate vermicelli and sprinkling it all over the top before I put it in the fridge to set. It recommends you leave it 4 to 5 hours. I think mine was in about 3 or 4 hours and then it was set. Then I ran a knife around the edge when I took it out for the final time and took the sides off. Obviously, as you can see from what I said earlier, you can't see all the layers from the outside. However, when you cut into it, you can see all the layers. So that's how you make a Neapolitan Nesquik cheesecake.